Ooh. Outside. I ain't seen no cars, honestly. Nothing but that Honda. That was only, I guess, like somewhat fixed up. Well, no, that's an intercooler. We talking about the oil cooler. You have a front mount intercooler and oil. You can have oil cooler. It sits kind of like a little baby intercooler in the corner of the front mount intercooler if you have both. People usually have one or the other, unless it is a race car. Then they do have both. They gotta put and a chase. The fuck? Could have put my money in. I could have put my money in the bank real quick. Damn. Hey, that's actually kind of convenient though. That's clutchy. Oh, you wanted to go to it?
No, I was just trying to think of where one was, but
it looked like it was.
Yeah.
Cause like that's a big Family Dollar. Oh my gosh, that is a huge Family Dollar. That's more like a Family Dollars. Oil. Oil. What's that?
the Martins and stuff.
You let me get all the way over here and then say
I
something?
wasn't looking. I was looking down.
Oh, no U-turns here? Bro, what? Why can't I get a U-turn? Am I scrubbing? I am. Oh. Yo. I had to go monster truck on this speed bump. They crazy. I forgot about these speed bumps in this parking lot. I don't even. Did we even come on Chapel Hill last time we was here?
I don't think so. Yeah, the bridge.
Front's still high. Go. About to do him in. But 12's sitting over there dirty. He's sitting over there like a Louisiana cop. In the cut so deep.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Yeah. Like, yeah, 100%. Like one of them Louisiana boys.